Is Windows failing to load because of the Sensapi.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Quickly resolve Sensapi inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Sensapi, the System Event Notification Service API. It provides unmanaged routines for monitoring network connectivity status, facilitating the data link for system state manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Sensapi is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Sensapi file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Sensapi.dll. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry clutter or Sensapi inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for trusting us with Sensapi repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.